Hey everybody, good morning, happy Wednesday to you. Finally a sunny day here in Florida, my first one since I've been back. So I'm gonna get a chance to hop on the bike and we'll go look around Panama City. I should mention that I have never been in an area post-hurricane, so this is all new to me. I know lots of people have probably been through it before. They know the procedures, they know how long it takes to clean up everything, but this is new to me, and that's why it's just, the destruction is amazing. Again, on a sunny day, this entire park used to be completely covered with trees, and now it's just wide open and destroyed. Like I said, I've been trying to help Wayne as much as I can. There's just so much that I can't do. There's no point in cleaning up anything because they're gonna bulldoze and destroy every trailer in this park. So the cleanup part is over. So basically, I feel like it's just, you know, him packing up stuff right now and moving somewhere else, wherever that's gonna be, and setting up a new life somewhere from the RV. So I thought there was more I could do to help, but you know, while I was coming down the Mississippi, he's working, you know, sunrise to sunset, getting things done, getting things fixed. So in that sense, I kind of feel helpless here, but you know, he deserves this. He needs to get on the road. He needs to see something new and find some happiness, because Florida has not been nice to him. Anyway, let me put on some long pants and gear, and I'm going to go ride around and show you a little bit of stuff and go to the beach. I want to find that white sandy beach here in Panama City. All right, I think we're recording, think we're good. It's kind of bulky off the side of the helmet, but this will enable me to be like, look over here, look over here. So go play on the bike now, see what we can find. So you probably can't see because we're kind of also looking in the sun, but on the other side of the bay right here, you can see all the blue tarps on pretty much every roof over there has a blue tarp. I mean, it's probably a good place for roofers to look for work, but yeah, man. Look at the awning of that gas station completely tipped over. Vehicles still underneath, downed. Jeez. Car wash destroyed. Now let's see, this grocery store, I've shopped here. It's completely gone, will never reopen. The bank lost a whole wall. And they're still out here working on power, of course. Burger King never reopened. Look at these apartments across the street to the left. Missing roof everywhere. This BP awning destroyed. Still out in the road, look at that. So Wayne was telling me to go down this way because apparently this whole side right here was covered in 12 to 15 feet of debris. Both insulation, pieces of their houses that were destroyed, and trees. They've picked up, I would say 95% of it, it looks like. Actually over here on the left. Yeah, so this is what they do after hurricanes. They tell people to bring all their garbage and debris to the edge of the street, and then they'll come pick it up when they can. But, you know, this 2 months ago, over 2 months ago when this hurricane hit. And they've been playing catch up non-stop, working their butts off. So many people have come together to try to clean up. It's just amazing. Just piles and piles of garbage. But actually, I can tell a lot of this has been picked up because you can see the old debris. So a lot of it's been picked up. Although I am seeing a lot of RVs parked outside destroyed houses, so it's probably a popular thing to do, at least for now, you know. Spend some money, get an RV, have a nice dry roof over your head until you get all your insurance stuff fixed. There's that blue tarp roof everywhere. As you can see here, they're still repairing signal lights. Yeah. It's just a lot of area to fix. While yes, there is a ton of destruction in some areas, not all areas got hit as bad. Like the beach, Panama City Beach. Believe it or not, they didn't get hit as bad as some of these outside areas of Lynn Haven and North Panama City. I don't understand it. I'm not sure why. I do want to go see the beach. So, let's go ride and find it. In fact, here they are picking up debris on the side of the road and loading it into the truck. Oh, this is interesting. They've made some traffic revisions since I've been in Panama City. As we merge onto 98 West, you no longer have to stop here. We get to just go right through with our own lane on the outside. That's pretty nice. I like that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these big, massive hotels right on the ocean are Category 5 proof. Pretty sure. They may have broken some windows. But yeah, they're going to be just fine. In case you're wondering where I'm heading, this is my old stomping grounds right here. This is where I have boondocked so many times in every RV, including birth of the van. Right here. And there is the ocean. Well, hello there, pretty palm trees. Oh man. Hello, Gulf of Mexico. Panama City, white sand. This is where I officially say my nomadic life started. When I got here, when I experienced this beach in 2014, that's when I decided for sure that the road was where I'm supposed to be. And in December, it looks like you get the entire beach to yourself. Mid-December, 75 degrees. Ooh, oh man. A stunning day. Obviously, I am sorry for the natural disaster, the hurricane, Panama City, but you are still beautiful. It may not look crystal clear because of the dirt and other debris, but it's pretty clear. It doesn't get much better than this. But I do want to get back to Jack's, pack up everything inside the RV, and we'll be heading out first thing in the morning. All right, back here and working on my last project, mirrors. Although it looks kind of funny with 4 different mirrors. I got my bar end mirrors, came in through Amazon. The hardest part was taking off the bar end right there. I don't know, it was like super glue or some special Loctite or something. Took a bit, and the ones that came stock, well, I didn't get any spacers between here. So at first, when you tighten this all the way up, the throttle wouldn't engage. So I had to put some washers in there on this side to not let me tighten it up as much. And now it's working well. So you can see how ridiculous the stock ones are, okay? And also these are folding, so they can be completely folded in for storage on the back of the RV and stuff. Or, you know, just gives me a little more flexibility in these. So I will remove the boot here and take off the stock ones and just kind of store them for now in case I change my mind later. All right, check out that low profile look. That's 100 times better. Huh? Take a look at the front there. I like that so much better. And plus, they're physically out farther to the sides, so it'll improve my eyesight on the road as well. So, great, easy little modification there. Cool. Gonna pack up and have a fire with Wayne tonight, and then I'll hit the road in the morning and cut back in with a little bit more of what the plan is here. Sound good? All right. Well, good morning, little tiny kitty. Hi, tiny guy. Good morning. You ready for new adventures? Oh, yeah, you want to? All right, let's get ready. I know I'm certainly ready. Just got to load the motorcycle on the back of the RV, and then I'm going to be heading southeast. Wayne's going to be heading kind of northwest, the other direction. Otherwise, it'd be cool to kind of show him the ropes and boondog with my buddy for a little bit, but that's just how things go. We're both looking for different things right now. So, here we go. Jackson, I'll see you on Friday morning, guys. Take care.